afternoon, everybody, and welcome at the Worldport Hackathon in the Van Nelle factory in Rotterdam. My name is Dol van Duivenmode. I'm a Rotterdam-based journalist, and I'm here with Daniel Shirley from MarineTraffic and a jury member.
Yes.
How do you feel as a jury member?
Excited, really excited. It's obviously we're here, we're at the Hackathon, and you're seeing all these amazing things happening around you, these amazing individuals coming up with brilliant ideas and solutions.
You have already walked around and talked to some hackers on their projects?
Yes, we're co-contributing partners as well. We're providing information, data, and some of the hackers are using this for their projects. So it's quite interesting to hear different ways they're approaching problems and how they're using the information to solve problems.
Is it really that different than you're used to? Are they really coming with other angles?
Yeah, as I was speaking to some people the other day about this, that once you've seen problems for a long time, you work out ways to get around them. Whereas because they're so active and so they're seeing these problems fresh for the new times, they're trying to fix them and trying to create new solutions, which is really interesting to see, really exciting to see how they approach these things and what they see that we miss, that don't stand out to us anymore.
Because it's not your first hackathon, right?
It's not for MarineTraffic.
No.
It's my first year I've been here. We've been co-creation partners for 3 years now, just because it's such a fantastic environment. It's brilliant. We always like to be involved in innovation and finding out, seeing new ideas and seeing new ways of people thinking. So yeah, we keep coming back and we will keep coming back. It's brilliant.
That's good to hear. And is it, because this year's theme is do more with less, to focus on efficiency?
Yeah.
And why is that important for MarineTraffic?
Efficiency is one of our key values. We have always pushed for more transparency in shipping, and through transparency, better efficiency. And it was fantastic yesterday. I did a small introductory talk to a very packed room full of people interested in data and how it can be used. And all the questions that were coming from the group, from the room, were how can we get more transparency? How can you get more companies involved? And I think things like the Hackathon and the conference before are great ways to do that. You end up with champions that'll go into organizations and push from the inside. I think historically it's been quite a closed industry, but now I think people are realizing that in order to get efficiency gains, you need to be trading information, working together. It's been
events like that, because it's interesting that you say that it has been a closed, how do you say that? A closed sector. Are events like this helping to open up and talk to each other? And
definitely. I started with MarineTraffic 3 years ago, and people at not hackathons, but at conferences, shipping conferences, were always talking about sort of closed systems and not wanting to share. But it's been pushed into the dialogue by technological conferences, and there are far more conferences talking about technology and shipping now, just say in the past 3 years. And yeah, events like this are always going to drive that as well, because you get smart minds coming in, people looking at innovation and ways to increase efficiency and increase their bottom line, but there are other environmental impacts.
And when those busy 24 hours will be finished, are there opportunities for you to continue collaboration or stay in touch?
Yeah, definitely. We invite all the hackers, everybody here that's worked with our data and come up with great ideas to keep in touch with this. We're happy to help push the idea forward. We've been in contact again with some guys we worked with last year. It's great to see them around again. And we're still working with other people, and we're pushing, trying to improve our developers community. We've brought 2 developers with us here, and that's something that they're focused on doing.
And what do you want to see as a jury member? What do you hope for, or what will be your criteria?
Something innovative seems like a really easy answer.
Yes, that's one.
That's why they're here. I'd like to see something that we haven't seen before. It's sort of the outside of the box thinking. It's a very short time period, a time scale to do anything. To get a final finished product is very, very hard in 24 hours. I don't expect to see that at all. I suppose potential, something that you can see that it solves the real world problem and will be effective. That's what I'm looking for, I think.
So not a finished product, but also not something too abstract.
No, they've seen the problem and they've used the information they have to come up with at least a route to the solution, even if it's not finished and polished and working perfectly, which fantastic if they can. But yeah, I'd like to see their thought process and understand how they've got there.
Exactly. So it can be like a snowball, and you can work on it in the future more often.
And like I said, many people have done this that we spoke to last year. They've taken this forward into their own startups. It's brilliant. It's a great breeding ground for ideas and new technology. It's fantastic.
Yeah, that's nicely said. Great breeding ground. You see, that's your English nature that comes up. Thank you very much for being here. Have fun as a jury member, and good luck.
Brilliant. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you all for watching, and see you later.